Hello everyone. Today I'm going to cook a simple meal for my family. I'll be making stir-fried shrimp and pork. I'll stir-fry the shrimp and pork until golden brown. Then add a little sugar, fish sauce, and green onions. It will be served with water spinach and water spinach broth with sour plums. Let's make a delicious dipping sauce to enjoy. Please enjoy it with my family. Thanks for watching.